All right, this is problem 3.4.41, and we're asked which of the following statements is not equivalent to all of the others. Okay, so what we need to do is we actually need to convert these into the P implies Q type of form based on what they're saying, and then we can compare them that way. And this is something that you probably just are going to have to memorize. I've written out a number of the equivalent statements here. So whenever we're talking about P implies Q, all of these things are going to refer to P implies Q. And like I say, this may just be something that you'll need to memorize. So if we're talking about P implies Q, then an equivalent statement would be Q is necessary for P. P is sufficient for Q. All P's are Q's. If P, then Q. If P, Q, and P implies Q, and P only if Q. Okay, so given that information there, if we go ahead and convert this, if Y then X, this is Y implies X. In the way that it's written out, X implies Y is this right here. So we right away, we see that these two are not the same. So one or the other of these is actually going to be the one that is not going to be like all the others, but we need to actually convert these as well to be able to determine that. So X is necessary for Y is also going to be Y implies X. So this is the result here, and that's necessary for this beginning portion. And that's where we're getting Y implies X. And then here, Y is sufficient for X. That's also Y implies X. Okay, so the one here that doesn't fit is B.